Hello everyone, I'm Nitisvi. I'm here to present my internship seminar on Android application under the internal guidance of Professor Pratap MS and under the external guidance of Naveen Kumar. So these are the contents which will be briefed out during the presentation. First is I'll tell about the company where I did my internship. Next about the internship where I'll brief out about the work assigned. And then skills gained, I'll explain what are the technical and non-technical skills gained. Next, benefits acquired by doing internship. And finally, the certificate issued by the company. The company where I did my internship was Swachalan Solution, which is situated in Bangalore. So it is a private company which was established on 7 June 2017. It is also associated in computer related activities such as software publishing, consultancy, and supply. Software publishing includes production, supply, and documentation of ready-made software, operating system software, business and other application software, computer gaming software for all platforms. Consultancy includes providing the best solution in the form of customer software after analyzing the user's needs and problems. Customer software also includes made-to-order software based on orders from specific users. And also it includes the writing of software of any kind following directives of the users such as software maintenance and web page design. So these are the few cutting edge technologies on which the company works, like robotics, image processing, cloud, and big data. Internship details. So it was a group of 4 people where we were assigned to develop an Android application named Agni. So it is a iBeacon based indoor positioning system for hospitals during fire emergency. Several beacons are placed in every complex building. Each beacon has its own unique ID and this ID is transmitted continuously. So this application detects the beacon signal and identifies the ID, and the position will be updated to the local server. Thus helps in identifying the exact location of a person inside the building by firefighters, and also it is easy to find the number of people stuck in the building. So this Android application consists of 3 modules, that is admin, firefighter, and citizen. Admin will log into the system and manages the firefighters, beacons, and also admin will manage the routes. Next is firefighter. Firefighter can view the map and can navigate to citizen's location. Citizen. Through beacon signals, firefighter get notified and then they can track the trapped citizens. Coming to work assigned, I was assigned with the firefighter module. So firefighter has an Android application where they can log in by entering their credentials, and through beacons devices firefighters will be notified about the location and position of the victims inside the building. With this information, firefighter can easily locate the victims and will be able to rescue at the earliest. Thus, by using this application, victims as well as firefighters can be saved. So this is the sign-in page for firefighters. Everything is managed by admin. Firefighters can sign in by entering their credentials like firefighter name, mail ID, and password. So if the login is successful, they can view the map and will be able to navigate to the victim's exact location. So you can see here. Coming to skills gained, these are the few technical and non-technical skills which I gained during my internship. Technical skills, Android Studio IDE. We were taught about Android Studio IDE as IDE is the base for Android Studio and it supports many Android SDKs, and about the features, tools and offered by Android Studio IDE. Next is Java packages. We were also taught about the important Java packages which are required in order to develop an Android application. So along with this, syntax and frameworks of Java were also taught. UI design, user interface User interface for an Android application is built as an hierarchy of layouts and wedges. So I learned how to use the Android Studio layout editor to create a layout. As UI is defined in the XML files, we were also taught about the XML vocabulary. Problem solving. I got to know how to determine why an issue is happening and how to resolve that issue. Next is non-technical skills. Individual responsibility. As modules were assigned to each individual, we had individual responsibility for completing the task. Time management. In order to complete the task, deadlines were set and we were asked to submit the task within the given time. Teamwork. We were a group of 4, so it helped me in exchanging our ideas and enhancing my knowledge. Adaptability. I was able to grasp new concepts in a very short amount of time and work on the project effectively. And these are the benefits of doing internship for the period of 1 month. Work experience. So work experience was the key for boosting my employability. Software proficiency. Got to know about the softwares used to develop an Android application, their features and how it works. Professional skills. By doing internship, my professional skills were enhanced like communication or teamwork, problem solving and etc. Coding and debugging. How to code on my own and to find the programming mistakes made and to understand that and correct those mistakes. And finally, this is the certificate which was issued by the company after completion of the internship. So thanks for sparing your time to listen.